right, I'll be showing you how to use CamScanner, which is an app that I downloaded on my phone. So here it is, CamScanner CS. So after you finish your work, you're going to want to click on the plus button here to scan an item. And here are some options here. What you're going to want to do is click on batch. So that is, if I have more than one page, this is going to allow me to make a like 2-page document, say. So I'll take a picture of this first page, and then a picture of the second page, and then click on the images, and then it'll kind of clean them up for me. They trim it for you, and then click the check mark. All right, now that you have those 2 documents, okay, yes, I'm enjoying this. All right, now that I have these 2 documents, or these 2 pages in one document, I am going to click the share button at the bottom of the screen. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it right to my computer. So I will click on send to PC, or you could email it to yourself or whatever you like to do. So I'm going to send it to my PC. And now I'm going to go on my computer and type in this address, d.cscan.co. And then my computer will go to that address, and see, it's thinking. There we go. And it brings a QR code. And then let me show you what my computer looks like now. Oops. Sorry. There we go. So now the document is here on my computer, and I can open it or download it. So if you click download, then you can go into your D2L Brightspace account, and you can upload the document, which now should be in your downloads folder. You can also save it into a folder wherever you like. Okay, good luck.